Dear students, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. This is Arfat Mujib from FEI Higher Secondary Institute. Today I am with chapter number first. Chapter is about microorganisms, friends and foe. This is 8th standard science, and in this chapter today my topic will be harmful microorganisms. जैसे कि चैप्टर से ही साबित चैप्टर के नाम से साबित होता है कि माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिजम्स फ्रेंड्स एंड फो, दुश्मन भी है दोस्त भी है। तो आज हम इनको दुश्मन के लिहाज से पढ़ेंगे। हार्मफुल माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिज्म बहुत सारे, इससे पहले जो मेरा टॉपिक रहा है दैट और हाउ माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिजम्स आर beneficial to a mankind. Now, those were the useful bacteria, and for different purposes they were be used up in a beneficial manner. और आज हम बहुत सारे ऐसे माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिजम्स भी पढ़ेंगे जिनसे बहुत सारे नुकसानात भी है। तो आज हमारा यही टॉपिक पे चर्चा चलेंगे, harmful microorganisms. These are such microorganisms that causes diseases on animals, plants, human beings. तो ये वो ऑर्गेनिजम्स है, या हम कहेंगे microbes, that causes disease in plants, animals, including humans. इस तरह ये साबित होते हैं नुकसानदा ताकि ये डिजीज काज कर रहे हैं इन लिविंग ऑर्गेनिजम्स में। दोज ऑर्गेनिजम्स देयरफॉर आर नोन एज पैथोजेनस, तभी तो इनको पैथोजेनस भी पैथोजेनस, देयरफॉर दे आर नोन एज पैथोजेनस। What are pathogens? ऐसे एग्जाम में क्वेश्चन आता है। पैथोजेनस आर those organisms, microorganisms which cause diseases in animals, in plants, in humans, and those are infectious diseases. वो diseases infectious diseases होते हैं, infectious. खास तौर कौन सा इन्फेक्शियस डिजीज? आई टॉक अबाउट कम्युनिकेबल डिजीज, कम्युनिकेबल डिजीजेस, यहाँ डिजीज लिखेंगे कम्युनिकेबल डिजीजेस। तो अब इसका अंदर ये ऑर्गेनिजम्स हार्मफुल है, वो नुकसान के लिहाज से इनको कहा जाता है पैथोजेनस। Pathogens are disease-causing microorganisms. Now we study about how human beings are involved in getting the diseases by such microorganisms, जिनको अब हमने कहा पैथोजेनस। अब इंसान इनके शिकार बन जाते हैं। These microorganisms enter into their body by various means. One is by contaminated water, पानी contaminate हो, दूसरा contaminated air, हवा गंध हो, तीसरा contaminated फूड, स्पॉइल फूड हो, फोर्थ contaminated soil, Fifth one, infected persons. If one healthy person remains in contact with the other person, that person is infected. It is a disease causing person. It is infected by some microorganism, by any microorganisms. Now he gets some infectious disease. It is also a source of separating the microorganisms. Infected person. Fourth one is sixth one, sorry, is the contaminated articles. वो चीजें that is utilized by these infected persons. बहुत सारे कारणों से ये डिजीज हमें लगती है ह्यूमन बींग्स में. उन ऑर्गेनिजम्स एज पैथोजेनस. कंटेमिनेटेड वाटर, अगर पानी गंदा हो, पोल्यूटेड हो, आपको पता है कि हाउ वाटर गेट्स पोल्यूटेड बाय वेरियस वेज. हवा गंदा हो, हमारा खाना अनकवर्ड हो एंड इट इज स्पॉइल्ड बाय माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिजम्स, और उसको लेने से बीमारी फैल सकती है. और सॉइल वो भी कंटेमिनेट हो, पोल्यूटेड सॉइल के कारण से भी बीमारी फैल जाती है. तो ये माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिजम्स इन एबायोटिक कंपोनेंट ऑफ एनवायरमेंट में मौजूद होते हैं. वो भी अगर ये कंपोनेंट ऑफ एनवायरमेंट क्या होंगे, पोल्यूटेड होंगे, infected होंगे. और directly responsible are infected persons. You can say persons here, infected person, or we can say persons, and contaminated articles that are shared, used by the infected person before and then that is used by the healthy person. इसके तरह से ट्रांसमिशन होती है. को इन जरिए से क्या होते हैं, जो माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिजम्स यहाँ गो, दीज आर द सोर्सेस ऑफ माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिजम्स, पैथोजेनस, एंड infected person is itself a source of pathogens and the contaminated articles. को इनसे क्या हमें मिलेगा, ट्रांसमिशन. देयर इज अ ट्रांसमिशन. देयर इज अ ट्रांसमिशन. हम कहेंगे इनसे ट्रांसमिशन हो सकती है. Transmission of diseases by such sources. My human beings are infected by these means. And seventh one, I will mention it here, that various carriers, or we can say vectors. याद रखिए, various. Also, I add the seventh point here. It is the seventh point here, that various carriers and vectors. What are the carriers and vectors? These can be the itself the animals, or we can say insects, which are carriers of microorganisms, germs, और इनके कारण से भी बीमारी फैल जाती है, खासतौर infectious communicable like diseases. तो carriers, vectors are the insects or the animals, माइक्रोस्कोपिक यूजुअली इन साइज. हाउस फ्लाई की बात हम कर लेंगे, मॉस्किटोज की बात हम कर लेंगे, अदर इंसेक्ट्स की, कॉकरोच की बात हम कर लेंगे, बहुत सारे ऐसे रैट्स हम बात कर लेंगे, अदर एनिमल्स की बात हम कर लेंगे. दे आर द कैरियर्स, जिनके कारण से बीमारी फैल जाती है फ्रॉम वन एरिया टू द अदर एरिया, फ्रॉम द इन्फेक्टेड एरिया टू द अदर एरियाज. तो इनके बदौलत से भी फैल सकती है बीमारी. And the involved is the human beings. जो बहुत सारी बीमारियां जो लगती है माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिज्म से, वो बीमारियां क्या क्या है. I talk about the tuberculosis, cholera, typhoid, common cold, that is the, we can say, microbial causing diseases, infectious diseases, खासतौर communicable diseases, and we can say malaria and dengue. They affect the person, human, and these diseases are caused by various types of microorganisms. Talk about the bacteria, protozoa, and we can say about the virus, we can say about the algae, fungal disease, fungi. तो इन ग्रुप्स ऑफ ऑर्गेनिजम्स से हमें ये बीमारी लगती है। ये अभी मैंने बहुत सारे चिकन पॉक्स, काउ पॉक्स, these are the animal diseases. Here we can say small pox, that others are the, we can say, African sleeping sickness that is caused by the trypanosoma, belongs to the group protozoa. As we can say the Kala Azar disease, it is also a protozoal disease. We can say a lot of the diseases can be caused by a wide variety of microorganisms. Also, not only microorganisms cause diseases to the human beings. Also, we can say, as we talk about, I will tell you that about the malaria, it is caused by this seventh point where मैंने अभी mentioned किया vector, female anopheles mosquito. And this malaria is caused actually by a protozoan, that is the plasmodium, that its carrier, its transmitter is female anopheles mosquito, that it is always caused by the infected person to the healthy person. जो intermediator होता है इसमें वो mosquito ही है, यही female anopheles mosquitoes. House flies are also the transmitter of various communicable diseases. As also the such microorganisms also cause diseases in animals. Animals are also involved in getting the diseases. That is the anthrax. Anthrax disease is caused by, it is a bacterial disease, anthrax. And we can say mouth and foot disease. Also, it is disease caused by the microorganisms. As we can say other diseases which are जो microorganisms कुछ एनिमल के बॉडी सरफेस पे रहते हैं, कुछ माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिजम्स इंटीरियर ऑफ द बॉडी ऑफ द एनिमल्स एज अ पैरासाइट रहते हैं, एक्टोपैरासाइट्स एंड एंडोपैरासाइट्स. सच माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिजम्स रिसाइड्स रहते हैं, ectoparacytes here, ectoparacytes, and some are the endoparasites. They cause these both are involved in causing the various animal diseases to them. Internally and externally they cause the disease. That means also such microorganisms cause diseases to the animals. That another is that we can say, if we talk about the plants are also involved, they are also infected by the microorganisms, as we name various. That means potato, rice, meat, maize, sugarcane. That these crops, various wide variety of crops, cedar crops, mustard, they get the diseases. खासतौर हम देखते हैं फंगी डिजीजेस जो होते हैं, खासतौर they are very common to the plants, and that destroy the crops in and losses the economic, and there is the scarcity, leads to the scarcity of food. Here we can say bacterial diseases or also algal diseases are also involved, associated with various plant diseases. There also the plants get infected, and animals also are infected by the microorganism. Plant disease, as we can say the black, ये book पे भी आपके mention है this type of disease, black rot of cabbage. It is a disease. It is black rot of cabbage. Then another is the, we can say it confined to the cabbage, and then is the late blight of potato. It is a potato disease, late blight. It is a fungi disease. It is a bacterial disease caused to the cabbage. And see that third is the I can say here the white rust of mustard जो होते हैं seed mustard seeds associated with this disease here. Also we can say the smut disease, fungal disease, smut and Puccinia also associated with the plant diseases. So that means plants are also infected by the microorganisms. In this way, microorganisms are harmful to the biotic component. That means plants, animals, humans, and various types of diseases can be caused. And there are various preventive measures. Therefore, we should keep our components of environment, soil, water, and we can say air clean and hygienic in conditions. When there is then the sanitation जो sanitary hygienic conditions follow up करना है आपको. जो surrounding place है there should be a hygienic, personal hygienic, community hygienic is the in need. And then that after we can control the various microbial diseases that caused by bacteria, that caused by protozoa, that caused by the fungi, that caused by the algae. Protozoal diseases or usually होते हैं waterborne diseases. Tuberculosis is the airborne diseases. If we again talk about the diseases associated with the human beings, as these microorganisms, germs are present in every component of the environment. When we keep those environment green and clean and polluteless, then there is a minimum chance of separating the diseases, infectious diseases. And there is also a control and preventive measures that is not included in your syllabus. You have also only go to the what are the harmful microorganisms and how they cause the diseases to the plants, animals, and humans. If we generalize upon the preventive measures of how we can prevent the various diseases in human beings by the microorganisms, अभी मैंने कहा कि we should follow up the personal hygiene, community hygiene, and we should keep our environment green and clean, and we should boil water, we should cover the food properly जो हमें खाना होता है, and we should avoid to consume the जो vendors uncovered food होता है उनके पास pollution होने की chances उस vendor areas पे जो vendors होते हैं या street vendor जो होते हैं जो food items वो बेचते हैं, there is the maximum chance of getting the disease. Those food items are the contaminated, and we should never buy unpacked food items. And these are the various ways through which we can check the separate of microbial diseases to great extent. Also, we should never pollute our water, we should never pollute air. ये भी मैंने कहा कि वो जो जितने भी कंपोनेंट्स ऑफ एनवायरनमेंट एसोसिएटेड है उनको अब हम कैसे नेचुरल कंडीशन में मेंटेन करें, कैसे उनको ग्रीन एंड क्लीन रखे, इस ज़्यादा इस पे जोर देना है. एंड वो शुड कीप एट डिस्टेंस. आजकल जो है जो पेंडेमिक डिजीज अभी है जो कोविड-19 virus, social distancing is at must, and we should follow up the SOPs that I think the masks, clean your wash your hands timely with an antiseptic lotions, and you should clean your mouth, nose, face, and wear always change your clothes and have a daily bath. These are the various personal hygienes we should follow up in order to control the this type of virus these days. And इस तरह हम बहुत सारे प्रिवेंटिव मेजर्स ले सकते हैं. जिसके कारण हम इस माइक्रोबल डिजीज को बहुत हद तक कंट्रोल में रह सकते हैं. These days also the medical science is improving day to day with techniques, with medicines, uh, with other processing followers instructions are providing by to us in order to check the growth of the microbes and the microbial diseases. I hope you understand about the topic harmful microorganisms, how they cause the diseases and associated with plants, animals, and human beings. In this way, the some species of organisms are also the foe दुश्मन होते हैं, and they are the harmful to the mankind. In this way they cause the infectious disease. I hope you understand about this topic. Thank you very much.